How to log into Flying Together UAL account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in or log into your Flying Together UAL account. So first thing first, just search in for Flying Together UAL on any of your favorite browser and simply search in for that. And once you search in for that, just click on this first link over here, which is the official website of Flying Together UAL. And then you should be heading over to this screen. So basically you just have to provide your username over here or your user ID. And once you provide your username, just like this, and simply enter your password, make sure it's correct, and simply click on login. And if you have any problem regarding your password, you can also check out this password help for your password method, and just click on login after you successfully enter your correct password and as well as your username, and you should be logged into your account of Flying Together UAL. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.